What's up people, this is Super Mom Mitali here, and in today's tag I'm going to talk about a topic which everybody keeps on discussing about. They hope that it doesn't happen to them with their pregnancy, and it comes as a surprise when their gynaec tells them, you have to go in for it dear. Yes, you're right mommies, I'm talking about the dreaded C-sec. The dreaded C-section or cesarean section is what all mommies keep on fearing about, and it's made to feel as if it is the enemy of pregnancies. But trust me guys, I had a C-sec and I was completely okay. So along with my Super Mommy channel, I also have this Facebook group of cool moms, and a lot of these moms have been posting in questions. So my friend Neha has particularly asked this question: a single delivery and too many concerns. To all the mommies here, she has a few questions regarding C-sec, and she wants to know what are the after effects that a mom or baby might face. Can the mom or baby get a massage done post C-section immediately? Can all the traditional methods like tying a sari around the waist, taking a steam be performed? To the first question, there are no after effects of the C-sec as such. Only thing is you will have an IV drip maybe for 1 or 2 days, again depending on the reason for your C-sec. Secondly, you and your baby can get a massage done after the C-sec wound heals. So this depends on actually when your delivery happens. There are a lot of things centering around massage and baby, so it's great if you can take your pediatrician's help. Pediatricians generally say that you should not oil massage your baby, but here we oil massage Rennie and she's absolutely fine. She's even running now, so this is a complete myth not to massage. Though in India we give a lot of steam or dhoop to babies, but that is not a good thing. Again, consult your pediatrician on this. Answering Neha's third question, actually I had answered this question in my earlier tag, linking this tag here for you Neha, and again answering the question. Actually you can tie a sari or a tummy belt around your waist 30 to 40 days after your uterus clears out all the remnants of your delivery, and after that you will be able to feel this lightness in your tummy, and you will yourself know when you're ready. And again in C-sec, after the wound heals, if your doctor allows, you can tie the sari in the next instant after the wound heals. Again, ask your gynaec to tell you and advise you on all these things, but according to my experience, all this can easily be done. So according to me, this dreaded C-section or cesarean section is not the evil here. It's actually a boon in these times. And if any mommies, you have to go in for this C-section, do go in. And if you want to study anything, you can always study. A lot of YouTube videos which are readily available if you want to go in and see the procedure as well, because that is what I did, and it rubbed me off all my fears regarding this procedure, because going in the operation room can be a little scary, but not to worry at all. So this is it for my tag on the C-section or cesarean section. Don't you dread for it mommies, and I hope I've solved all the queries of Neha, and thank you for posting these queries on our Cool Moms group. And if you guys also want to join this Cool Moms group, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will make sure that you mommies are added. And do let me know how you like this video. Do give it a thumbs up if you really loved it, and do subscribe by hitting the red button below. And I'll see you in next week in another tag on the Super Mommy channel. Till then, bye bye.